Supposed to get some rain today, so we got the product out of here. On that, we'll probably bring some more in just to kind of fill in around the edges and stuff.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
We got to, obviously we got a patio and stuff like that in there, a bit more cutting to do. Supposed to get some rain today, so we got the product out of here. On that, we'll probably bring some more in just to kind of fill in around the edges and stuff. We got the waterfalls in for now. We got a bunch of adjustments to do still. So we'll see what happens and what transpires with that for sure. But, and then we got plumbing, electrical, pumps to deal with, more rocks. We got stuff out on the street there, so now we can at least pick and choose as we need to. You know, extra bricks. So now at least if it rains, there's, you know, we got some clean areas we can still work. The stuff we have is from a bog. It's a peat soil. It's good for plants and stuff. This stuff here is good soil too, but it's more fill soil. You know, for growing grass and stuff like that, this is acceptable. It's got a little more body to it, a little thicker, heavier density. The bog soil is really holds moisture. It's a little more airier, allows the roots to fit in easier. Yep, careful. Easy. Yep. Okay. Pull your end out. Yep. Yep. One more. One more. One more. Perfect. Exactly. 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 Great. Lift this end up just a bit. Take some out. There we go. Right here. Okay. Like that. I want this cut off here. Okay. With the scissors. You cut off and leave 4 inches of liner showing here. Look at this. See there? Just cut that off. There we go. Very nicely done. 4.
And we've got some cutting around the patio and kind of that finishing touches, getting the beds prepped. We're pulling plants right now, getting ready to come and do that component. And so we're hoping that we can kind of get all the pieces of the puzzle together and kind of get the, you know, start getting water in the pond. That'll be the great part.